It's an absolute honor and a privilege to be joining you today. Michael, thank you again for those kind words of introduction. So many of the speakers before me have said so many powerful things about this event this morning, and I run the risk of belaboring it and repeating it, but I will say that as Director Elliott said this morning, our diversity is our strength, and engagement is the driver of that kind of strength. And you heard today with our previous speakers so many comments about the word engagement and about what that means. And we're talking about engaged classrooms. We're talking about engaged schools. Najwa talked about engaged leadership. But ultimately, we're talking about engaged communities. And a big part of why we're here this morning is to talk to you, engage with you in a conversation about the work of our communities in our schools. And I think to some extent, Najwa, it's about that third space in which we reach a common ground on our community, our classroom teachers and our pedagogy, but also the work of Thames Valley District School Board. A lot of what has been said today has been a conversation about the present and about the future and about a healthy, functioning society and what that looks like and where education places itself and how we engage in the dream of better. And the dream of better is about how we as a Thames Valley District School Board work with you on an ongoing basis to be just a little bit better every time we engage our classrooms and our schools and our communities. And every time that we engage this community in this kind of conversation, and these are going to be conversations today, how does that help us to be just a little bit better in our dream of something far greater for our students? Not just for now, but for the future. And that's a big part of our journey today.